Maybe there's some panting going on. Is that why you get in a backpack?
I think we got the wrong kind of dog.
Oh. Alright, Tiger Lily's first run in her backpack. Daddy's got her. She's bobbing up and down, looking real cute. Hey, what do you think, Tiger Lily? What do you think?
You're heavy.
You can put the belt around the bottom. There's also one on the top. But yeah, you might have to.
Oh, you're gonna go in the backpack.
There isn't any shade going that way.
No. This would have been a cool camp spot. If it wasn't so hot, and we didn't need the power for AC. Could have camped here.